Hello everyone, and welcome to Imperial College London RCSU's annual Science Challenge launch. My name is Steph, and I'm the current Vice President for Activities for the Royal College of Science Union. The Science Challenge is an international science communication competition hosted every year by Imperial College's Natural Sciences Union, the RCSU. This year, there are two categories: Imperial undergraduate students and high school students in their last 4 years of education. This year, we have decided on the theme of hidden depth. We want you to explore various areas of science in ways you maybe haven't considered before. It is my pleasure to present this year's judges.
Hello, I'm Jamie Gallagher, a science communicator and engagement consultant from Glasgow, and I wanted to make this short video to introduce myself, but also to share my question with you. So who am I, first of all? Well, I do two main things. As a science communicator, it's my job to take scientific topics and make them interesting, memorable and shareable. And I do that on stage, on TV, on radio, and I've written a book. As an engagement consultant, I work with universities, helping scientists to share their work. You see, I believe that science is for sharing. It doesn't belong trapped inside papers and libraries and offices. Instead, we need to get scientific research out into the world to have impact. And by impact, I mean a change or benefit on the world. And that's what brings me to my question. What is a scientific discovery, invention, or development which has had impact? Now, let me give you some context to this. Science is discovering new things all of the time. We discover new drugs for treating cancer. We explore the depths of the ocean. We discover new species of fish. We discover and create new elements on the periodic table. We explore space and we discover. Now, a discovery in itself doesn't necessarily have impact. Learning that something has been created doesn't always change anything or benefit anyone. So I need you to take a deep dive into this discovery. What happened when we discovered the new thing? What happened when we had the ability to do the new thing? Because I want you to look at the impact. What did that new drug mean for the world? What does the discovery of the new species mean for our planet? So there's the question to you. What is a discovery, a development, invention which has had impact, a change or benefit on the world, on society, on the environment, on people's lives? And how would I like to receive that answer? Well, I'm thinking a video just like this, or you could write it down. Think of writing an article for a science magazine. So we're looking to speak to a scientifically interested but non-expert audience. You might not know how much or little I know about a scientific topic, so this is the target audience you're aiming at. A scientifically interested but non-expert audience. I look forward to seeing your entries. Best of luck.
Hello, I'm Dr. Simon Foster, a space scientist here at Imperial College, and my question is as follows. As the commercialization of space grows at an ever faster pace, companies such as Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX now regularly launch commercial astronauts into space and their own satellite systems. Has the time come to limit access to space to protect the environment for future generations, much like we've done with the oceans? Or should we welcome private companies engaging in the space environment, removing the barriers that national agencies such as NASA, the European Space Agency, and Roscosmos put in place that prevent or make it harder for private companies to actually engage and commercialize the space environment? By doing this, we could allow everyone on Earth access to space and its potential. So that's my questions. What would you kind of answer and view this as? Do we need laws and barriers in place, or should it be like the Wild West and it's free for everyone to explore? I'll leave that up to you. Thank you very much, and I look forward to viewing your entries.
Hi there, I'm Tony Cass. I'm Professor of Emeritus Professor of Analytical Chemistry in the Department of Chemistry at Imperial College. My question for you is that the first draft of the human genome sequence took hundreds of researchers in a global effort that lasted 13 years and cost somewhere in the region of $3 billion. Now, some 25 years later, a little bit less than that, but some 20 years later, you can do a human genome sequence in less than 24 hours for a cost of less than $1,000. So my question for you is, what do you think is the most significant consequence of that advance in technology applied to human genetics? If you can provide your answer in the form of a short video or voiceover PowerPoint presentation, that would be great. And my advice is don't go for the obvious significant consequences. See if you can think of something that's a little bit left field that is nonetheless still a significant and potentially or possibly unexpected consequence. So with that, I'll leave you and say good luck.
We represent the Young Scientist Journal, a globally recognised peer-reviewed scientific publication led by a diverse group of young individuals.
With an extensive membership spanning over 50 countries, we aim to spread scientific knowledge on a wide scale.
We're honoured to have been asked to pose a question for the Royal College of Sciences Challenge this year, anticipating the influx of innovative entries it will inspire. Our question is, tell us something that's far more than what meets the eye. Seize this opportunity to delve into a specific topic from a wide range of possibilities and prove your scientific prowess.
Your submission may be as a magazine, a poster, or a short video discussing your chosen topic. We are actively seeking creativity and unconventional thinking, aspiring to unveil remarkable instances of the intricacies concealed within the observable world.
Hi, my name's Mike Monroe. I'm president of the RCSA, which is the Alumni Association of the Faculty of Natural Sciences at Imperial College London. I studied biochemistry a number of years ago and really enjoyed the subjects of immunology and virology. And that's the reason for my choice of question for the RCSU 2024 Science Challenge, which is in the area of vaccine development and deployment. So on to my question. In the near future, you are the new head of a UK-based vaccine development consortium, and you've just been told that a new virus has been discovered which is even more lethal and infectious than COVID-19. What we want you to do is to identify 2 or 3 of the biggest challenges that you will face in the successful development and deployment of the vaccine. These could be in the areas of research and development, could be in vaccine production, could be in running clinical trials, or also could be in the area of marketing and communications of the benefits of the vaccine. For this question scenario, you are not constrained by current rules and regulations, for example, around the running of clinical trials. However, you still have to demonstrate and prove the efficacy and safety of the vaccine. Also, you can assume that you have the resources and budget to do what you think you need to do. For each of the challenge areas that you pick, what we want you to do is to outline the challenge, say what you would do to tackle the challenge, and explain what the benefits and impact of the changes that you made are. In terms of format, we'd like to give you the flexibility to do this either as a 1,000-word essay-style submission or as a short 3-minute video. What we're looking for here is creative and insightful thinking to help give us a life-saving step change in the way that we develop and launch vaccines. Good luck.
Entries can be submitted via the Imperial College website, linked in the description. The deadline for the submission is 5 p.m. on Friday, the 26th of April. The award ceremony will be held on the 21st of June, and all shortlisted candidates will be invited. The shortlisted candidates will be informed by the 7th of June, and they will be asked to prepare a short presentation about their work that they can share with the audience should they win. We look forward to seeing all of your entries, and we hope to see you at the award ceremony in June. Thank you. And from all of us on the Science Challenge team, good luck.